का समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहत कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back in the bay with another special video. So what is it about? I'll tell you shortly. Well, it's about Venus and its transit and how it will affect your life. I'll give away the transit predictions as well, but kindly watch the whole video for this. So Venus, as I have already told you, is the significator of beauty and art, and it will be making its transit on 1st August at 5:09 am and it will be entering the zodiac sign Gemini in this process. It will remain in this position until the morning of 1st September and finally it will then move on at 2:02 am, after which it will move on to the next sign. So this position of the planet Shukra or Venus is likely to influence all zodiac signs individually. How? Let us find out. First and foremost, I will begin with Aries, the first sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Venus will be making its transit through the third house of Aries natives. The latter signifies your courage, might and your relations with your younger siblings. Those who have an interest in artistic activities like singing, acting, dancing will get sufficient opportunities to exhibit their expertise. In addition to this, you can also turn your creativity into your business. The position of Venus in your third house will bring you prospects of traveling to your favorite places. The planet is also considered to be the significator of love. Therefore, this duration is likely to bring improvements in your love life. You will spend many romantic moments with your partner. However, you should make efforts towards connecting to their soul rather than physically. On a social level too, Aries natives will receive favorable results. You can spend joyful time with your friends. Newly married natives of this sign can welcome a new member to their family as they are blessed with a baby. The transit will be favorable for natives health-wise as well. Despite that, you should avoid eating cold food items, otherwise you may suffer from cold and cough. As a remedy, you should consult with your father or father-like figures before beginning any work. Next in line is Taurus. So Venus will be transiting through the second house of Taurus natives, which signifies your wealth and family. The transit is likely to bring many positive changes in your family life. You will enjoy taking out some time from your busy schedule to spend it with your family members, and you can plan vacations together. The planetary movement will offer you self-confidence and you will put in efforts to implement your thoughts and ideas. Pleasantness will prevail in your words, which will help you charm and attract those around you. Some advice that a near and dear once offered will prove to be accurate now. Since the second house is the house of wealth and the significator of beauty Venus, it is posited here you can spend some of your funds on beauty products. However, our advice to you right now would be to try and save more. Moreover, you should also avoid taking or giving any debts or loans right now. Those who are associated with a creative business or taking a course related to acting, singing, etc. can witness a sudden increase in their expenses. However, it will not influence your economic front much. On the whole, this Venus transit in Gemini will prove to be favorable for Taurus natives. As a remedy, you should donate white colored objects on Friday. Next in line is Gemini. So the Venus transit is taking place in the zodiac sign Gemini and thus will be posited in your first or ascendant house, which is also known as Lagna. This house signifies your body, personality, mind and fortunes. The presence of the significator of beauty in this house is likely to push you towards bringing some positive changes in yourself. You may take the help of yoga, exercise, etc. to keep yourself young. You will not step back from using beauty products either. Student natives of this sign can look forward to many favorable results, as yogas indicate success in the field of education. As for Gemini natives in love, this duration will bring an increase in the romance and your partner will feel attracted towards you. Those who are still single will find that they are ready to mingle now. You will be successful in expressing your creativity as well as even spend some money on your favorite things. However, you should not buy anything just to show it off, otherwise you will regret it later. Gemini natives will remain eager to learn something new throughout this transit. Understand the value of your time and work towards moving forward on the path of progress. From the health point of view, this transit will bring an average time for natives However, there are possibilities of some allergies cropping up. Therefore, you need to stay away from any situations or things that may cause an allergic reaction within you. There are no indications that suggest you may have to struggle with a major disease right now. As a remedy, you should leave your home only after seeking the blessings of your parents. Cancer natives. We'll be talking about Cancer natives now. So, Cancerians will host the transit of Venus in their 12th house, which is also known as the house of losses. It signifies any losses and separation that you may face in life, as well as long distance trips, possibilities of going abroad, and so on. This transitory motion will be favorable for business personals whose trade is associated with foreign countries or working professionals employed in a multinational company. However, for other Cancer natives, it is likely to bring some challenges. You need to tread very carefully in this duration. Your mother's health can also deteriorate at this time, which will bring you some mental stress. In such a situation, you should spend more time with her. If you plan on making any changes at this time, then although they may seem alright in the beginning, however, with time it will begin troubling you. As it is, Cancer natives do not like changes easily in general. Coming to the married natives of this sign, this is not a favorable transit for them either. Situations of estrangement from your spouse can arise right now, thus you need to think twice before offering any reaction. As for working professionals of this sign, especially those posted in government jobs, can get transferred somewhere they do not want to go. You are advised caution in terms of health as well, because eye-related problems are also on the cards for Cancerians. As a remedy, you should establish the Shukra Yantra in your home or office. Next in line is Leo. So Venus will be moving through the zodiac cycle to enter the 11th house of Leo natives. This is also known as the house of prophets and is considered the significator of your ambitions, desires, and relationship with elder siblings. The position of Venus here is likely to bring abundant blessings for Leo natives. If you have been working for a long time or something and are still waiting for success on the same, then your wishes will finally come true now. Working professionals of this sign will also be praised for their efforts at the workplace, and they will get to reap the fruits of their labor now. Any journeys that you undertake right now will prove to be beneficial as well. If you have been planning a trip with your family for quite some time, now you will get the time to execute the plan. There are also possibilities of Leo natives attaining profits through the internet and social media. Ladies are also likely to bring gains for the natives of this sign. Coming to the love life of Leos, this is going to be a favorable time for them as well, and there will be an abundance of romance and affection within you. Students who go to school or college will be seen making continuous efforts in refining their talents. As a remedy, you should wake up every day before sunrise to receive the favorable results of Venus. Next in line is Virgo. So the zodiac sign of Mercury, Virgo will host the transit of Venus through the 10th house. The Kalpurush Kundli states that this house belongs to the zodiac sign Capricorn and signifies one's business, professional life, leadership skills, father, and so on. This Venus transit will turn fate in your favor. You will attain success in your workplace, and any task that you undertake right now will not stop until it is finished. Fortune will continue to support you at every step. The luxuries and comforts in your life will increase, and if you wish to buy anything new, then this is a favorable time for the same. Due to a pleasant environment prevailing over your home as well as office, you will experience mental peace. The members of your family will support you in all that you do. Virgo natives involved in their family business can look forward to the beneficial time ahead, as you can take trade into a new direction. Simultaneously, those associated with the field of movies and films will also accumulate much success in this duration. The project that you are working on right now has very high chances of being successful. On the whole, this Venus transit is favorable for Virgo natives, therefore you should put in more effort and work harder at this point of time. The hard work that you do right now will be essential in improving your future. As a remedy, you should chant the Bij mantra of Venus early in the morning. For Libra natives, the Venus transit will bring the planet to get posited in your 9th house, and as per the Kalpurush Kundli, this house corresponds to the zodiac sign Sagittarius, whose lord is Jupiter, which signifies religion, good fortune, long distance journeys, spirituality, and so on. So the planet is placed in the 5th house from your 5th house of education, which will sharpen your intellect. Thus, this transit will bring a favorable time for Libra natives associated with research work. Simultaneously, student natives of this sign will also be able to understand many hard subjects easily at this time. You will continuously work towards accumulating knowledge during this transit period. Your behavior and pleasantly sweet words will bring positivity to your family life. As for Librans in a relationship, your love life will be filled with romance and you will spend many beautiful moments with your beloved. Those who wish to tie the knot with their lover will receive a positive reply. However, you should ensure that you connect with your partner emotionally rather than physically, as this will further strengthen your bond. Despite this, Libra natives are advised to remain cautious in terms of their health because stomach related problems are on the cards. You can take the help of yoga, running or exercise to keep yourself fit and fine. As a remedy, you should respect your teachers and mentors and also seek their blessings. Next in line is Scorpio. So Venus transit will position the planet into your 8th house, which is also known as Ayurvah or the house of longevity. It signifies obstacles in lives, accidents, ancestral properties, enemies, opponents and so on. This transit of Venus in this house is not going to be much favorable for Scorpio natives, thus you need to tread very carefully in all that you do. You have to face several challenges in your family life. Many of you can feel that the members of your household are misconstruing your words. Therefore, you need to make efforts and convey your thoughts more clearly to them. As for the married natives of this sign, your spouse can fall ill at this time, which will add to your worries. Simultaneously, you also need to keep an eye on your own health since eye-related problems and issues concerning your private parts are on the cards. You are advised to maintain hygiene throughout this transit period. As for Scorpio natives who are in a relationship, your ego can cause clashes between you and your beloved. You need to mind your tongue and keep your words pleasant, otherwise your relationship can deteriorate. On a more positive note, some Scorpio natives can receive a gift or a special surprise now. If you wish to receive good results during this transit, then you need to continue working hard and keep yourself calm. You can take the help of yoga and meditation for the latter. As a remedy, you should worship goddess Santoshi on Friday. Next in line is Sagittarius. So for Sagittarius natives, the Venus transit will cause the planet to enter the 7th house. This house signifies your spouse and all kinds of partnerships in life. This planetary movement is likely to bring many positive changes in your family life. If there has been an ongoing dispute between you and a member of the household, then it will finally get resolved now. Your parents' health will also remain satisfactory. Socially too, you will perform well and will be able to incur gains through friends or acquaintances. Your married life will continue to remain favorable. However, your spouse's health can worry you. Thus, take care of your life partner and spend as much as time with them to make him or her more comfortable. Moreover, you need to maintain cautiousness concerning your own health as well. Drink sufficient amount of water in a timely manner. Sagittarius natives who own their business in partnership have high chances of obtaining profits in their trade. Many of you can even think about expanding the enterprise in this duration. Single natives can finally come across their soulmate through the internet or their friends. Since you will keep your expenses under control, therefore you will be successful in saving sufficiently at this time. As a remedy, you should wear a Spatik Mala to receive the favor of Venus. We have now reached Capricorn, the 10th sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So the Venus transit will take place in the 6th house of Capricorn natives, also known as the house of your health. It signifies diseases, deaths, opponents and many other things. This will not be a favorable duration for Capricorn natives. You have to face many challenges in your family life and there are possibilities of disputes occurring over small things. In such a situation, you need to mind your words carefully and speak as little as possible. The less you talk, the fewer problems you will face. Coming to the working professionals and business personals of this sign, you need to remain very careful because there are possibilities of being betrayed right now. Think very carefully while talking to your female colleagues at work, otherwise things can lead to your image being besmirched in the society. This duration is not promising for Capricorn natives in love either because your beloved can pull away from you due to some reason. At this time, you will need to work doubly hard for the attainment of positive results. Therefore, you need to abdicate laziness and tighten your belt for heavy labor. Your opponents will also be active at this time and they can scheme and plot against you for now. From your health perspective, you need to avoid eating fried food, otherwise stomach related problems can trouble you. As a remedy, you should read the Parshuram Charitra. Next in line is Aquarius. So the Venus transit in taking place in the 5th house of Aquarius natives. It is known as the house of progeny and also signifies one's education and love life. Therefore, this planetary movement is likely to bring beneficial results for you. Coming to your family life, harmony will prevail amongst the members of your household, which will bring you immense pleasure as well. You can sit with them to ponder upon a new plan concerning the future. Going to your parents for advice to improve your financial aspect will also be beneficial. The married natives of this sign can attain profits through their children. They can do something which will make you proud as well as bring an increase in your name, fame and respect in society. If your mother is a working professional, then this transit is likely to bring her many benefits as well. Gains through property deals are also on the cards. Aquarians do not express their emotions easily in general, and sometimes this habit of yours may end up irritating you. In this duration, you need to overcome this practice of yours and try to convey your feelings clearly and loudly. If you are in a relationship or married, then you should speak openly to your partner. This will please them as well. As a remedy, you should recite the Sri Shuktam, and this will definitely turn out to be auspicious for you. Last but not the least, we will be talking about the last sign of the zodiac circle, which is Pisces. So the transit of Venus will bring the planet to be posited in the 4th house of Pisces natives. And as per the Kalpurush Kundli, this is the house of the zodiac sign Cancer and signifies comforts, luxuries, mother, land and secret love affairs. During this Venus transit, you can attain profits through your siblings, and if there have been any disputes between you, then they will end too. Although you will remain mentally at peace, however, your mother's health can worry you. Coming to your professional life, some challenges are likely to occur. You may feel that you are not made for the work that you are currently doing. However, you shouldn't make any hasty decisions concerning a job change right now. Pisceans will face some challenges in their love affairs. You should not promise something to your beloved at this time, which is why you may be unable to fulfill them. As for the married natives of this sign, you should move forward and let the bygones be bygones. Health-wise, a decline in the same is on the cards during this transit period. Minor problems like cold, cough, etc. are likely to trouble you. Avoid cold food items or things can further deteriorate. As a remedy, you should donate sugar to strengthen Venus in your birth chart. So this was all you need to know about the Venus transit in Gemini and how it will impact your life. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.